yes guys, see there? The coconut juice a cook. You know, don't cook yet. You know your coconut juice, you have to make a coconut juice cook properly. You see if you don't make a coconut juice cook properly, your rice sour fast. So yeah, I make this go and cook properly. So yes guys, here this chicken, I got it all cleaned up already, and now I put a little bit of salt on it, and now I'm just gonna put my all-purpose seasoning on it. Beautiful. That's it. I'm just gonna mix that in. So that's how my chicken look now. So yes guys, this is my natural seasoning that I'm gonna use to put in my rice and peas. I have onion, scallion, and thyme and a pepper. So I'm gonna add salt to it, you know, one pack of all-purpose seasoning. And yeah. And this right here is for the meat. I have scallion and thyme, chop up pepper and onion. Yeah. So that's gonna go right here on this. Yeah man, rice pot look like you can't season up and now. I'm gonna season up my rice pot and now. So yes, gonna wash my rice now. So yes guys, here's the chicken that I'm gonna fry. I'm just gonna fry it and make some gravy. Yeah, simple cooking today guys, cause me there me do some work on the shop, which me soon go show you that too. But me I go and cook some food so the workman can get some food. See it? See I over here say I go on hot. Me go drop 2 pieces of garlic in a pot. You know with it. So yes, this is the meat. Me go start right now guys. But what me go do, me not put no browning at all. Me not use funny. Me go fry it and make it catch its own color. No browning. So you see no browning at the pan, and I will show you when I fry it and put it in the pot. Also the rice and peas there. Yep. Come on. So you know it have to go and steam up, you know, and you know get fluffy and pretty. Come on. See there, so this how we gonna fry the chicken, you know. You have to make your pot well hot. Yeah man. See it there. No browning added from here. Yeah, I mean it's a road. So that's how it looks. So you see guys, you see if I can take time get nice color. Come on. I know don't fry properly, I'm gonna cook it and juice it. Yeah, you them same and no blood in our bone. Yeah man, some new fried chicken. Yep. I know the kind of style. So yes guys, I'm just taking a minute out of the kitchen to show you guys what I am doing, what kind of work may I do at the shop. So give me a minute guys, me have to run home back and look for my food. So this is my rice and peas. Enough it. Because what masala is it?
You say if you just give him sitting, you know, man.
Let me give him a nice. Charge me. Eh? You know what's a good thing with me, son?
Let's start our book. You know that's just that. You know what to give him.
Because you want to say, look at your own. You want to look at me? You want to say me? I don't want to what I do.
No, that's not what I do.
I want to.
You have to the expensive.
As well as I said, I cut up on it. I mean, I've created my own method. I mean, I cut up no one because then you know I'm going to have model upon it. You know, this is one thing. You know, say a good thing with me, though. Yeah, I'm going to start with my husband and myself every day. No people are watching me. Say, if you want a restaurant and no chance, I'm the one nice official restaurant. Eh? You know, so I'm going to have beer foreign people that come to taste my food. Because they always are watching for my food, isn't it? And always like it. Say, me build our restaurant and no brother. Eh? The next time we do a restaurant. I don't know, normal. But, you gone? Yeah, apple.
until you just and that's where the parcel book. You just where the parcel book alone.
Yeah?
You just where the parcel book alone. The next part I will drop out from the parcel.
You got that now? I want to cut it. So guys, see there? My battery low, so his camera not turn on back. See, not only fry pretty from one side, right through the side. I tell you, see there? Every side of them fry one way. So you don't have to use browning and cook them new. See there? And you can eat them steamed there. See? Yeah man, that's all you fry chicken without use browning. So yes guys, I'm just taking a few minutes again out of the shop, out of the kitchen, to show you what I'm doing on the shop. But you can get some nice beautiful view of the place. My God, I can't believe music are playing in the background. Music are playing. Hopefully music no catch from the video. But guys, music are playing down there, so make me so much money. So here's my chicken, guys. Back in the kitchen again. As soon as the music turn off, I will flame. I will show you guys. Come in, come in. Oh, this is a beautiful bowl here. Very much beautiful. So doing the gravy now for the meat. So yes guys, this is the chicken. So I'm gonna make it go and simmer a little bit now. Gonna let it cook on a low fire. So yes guys, this is gonna be the vegetable. So I'm gonna do just piece of this purple cabbage, cucumber, tomato, carrots, and sweet pepper, and also this piece of I'm just gonna dice a piece of this purple onion in the vegetable as well. So yes guys, that's it. Gonna show you the finished product when I'm finished. So yes guys, if you guys like my video, please do remember to subscribe, like, and share. You know, and help me with my watch hours, guys. Help me with my watch hours, guys. I'm trying to run up my watch hours, so help me out, guys. Watch up the video, them, like them, share them with a friend them, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Say, you know, if you come subscribe to Unruly Shana channel. Where you say? Where you say? So guys, this is the finished product of my chicken. Very juicy and nice and tasty. Let me tell you that. Me not ask no question about that. Very tasty. So here's the purple cabbage. First time I use purple cabbage, but it look nice. I love it. And I just eat alone I use with the cucumber, the tomato, the sweet pepper, and carrots. Don't know how it will look, say don't know the finished look of this, what I'm doing, but I think it will look nice. So I'll catch you back. So yes, this is the finished product of my vegetable. So there's the purple cabbage. I used carrots, sweet pepper, and the tomato, and the cucumber, and I dice up a little piece of purple onion on it as well. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. So yeah. So I'll let you guys see when I share. So yes guys, this is the finished product of the food. Virgin nice. Food is really good, man, I lie.